If you want to take screenshot with a gesture on CMF Phone 2 Pro, first of all we need to open settings in order to activate this gesture, because unfortunately it is not enabled by default. So over here in the settings we're gonna scroll all the way down, and then we want to choose special features. After that go to gestures, and then we have screenshot the gesture. Now over here, make sure that 3-finger swipe is activated. If it's enabled, then now you can swipe with 3 fingers from the top towards the bottom like this in order to capture a full screenshot, as you can see over here. You can also capture a partial screenshot by pressing and holding 3 fingers on the screen, and once the phone starts creating the screenshot, you can just swipe down in order to select the area that you want to capture. So let's say I'm gonna press and hold with 3 fingers over here, and after that, as you can see now, we can scroll down in order to select the area. And over here you can also just manually extend the screenshot if needed. So like, you still have the option to see the full screenshot. You can adjust the cropped area in case you failed in the meantime or something. And there we go. Then we can just press save over here on the left side at the top, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.